Welcome to another week of the Upnlive show. We are here every Tuesday between 9 and 11. And guess what? We're make things more exciting. We have some new things that is happening. We're sponsored by the Granaries, which is located at 6 Overton Yard, Croydon. And just to give you some insight on what happens at the Granaries on some of the nights. So every Thursday, games and karaoke 2-for-1 cocktail nights happens. And the doors open at 6 p.m. and they go on until 3 a.m. Every Friday, strict gal policy, which happens across 2 of the floors. And on the top floor, Bootylicious Babes Uncut takes place. So on the don't know, say, Granaries has something for each and everybody. On Saturday, the Granaries, Saturdays, all 3 floors are occupied. So, and then on the first Saturday of every month, it's the Granaries takeover. And if you need more information on anything that is happening, you can call them at 073-7792-6375 and make sure to check them out on Instagram and TikTok at the Granaries.
Yes.
And
Go on.
The Style London Limited, which is a clothing line which provides t-shirts, hoodies, tracksuits, vest tops, and jumpers. You can find them on social media as well on Instagram at Styler, which is STYLA_London. To make, order inquiries, you can visit their website as well at www.stylerlondon.com. And if you need more information, you need to, make some different inquiries, you can also email them at londonstyler@gmail.com. And lastly, Self-Paid, which their tagline goes, "Be unstoppable." They also are a clothing brand. They provide streetwear, hats, shirts, hoodies, and vests. And they also provide original designs in branded fashion to youth in the world who feel stagnant and trapped in believing what society tells them about what is or what is not possible. And right now they have a special deal going on where you can buy a hat and a shirt and get 40% off at checkout. So you don't need a code for that. It automatically, it's automatically applied at checkout. So the website www.iamselfpaid.com, and you can send them an email at contactus@iamselfpaid.com. And for any other information that you need, check them out on social media on their social media platforms: Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Snapchat, and that's at Self-Paid London. So shout out to our sponsors. Yeah.
Of course.
You could do that.
Nah, it's necessary.
It's necessary.
No,
I
couldn't talk
English. But anyway, I'll be things I want.
Yes. Yeah. Where are we gonna start? All the man them stay. We can start this up. Everybody good?
No.
What you do? He's sad.
Mm-hmm.
Oh God.
Big up birds, cause me see I represent your big old Oakley side. You take off your jersey now, man. You don't lose, man. Go put on your shirt, man.
Yo, my glad say my promoter a drug and a DJ.
Yo, me not in the day of the match, but boy, birds. It's an embarrassment, man. Like, bro, where do you? It's a parade.
Bro, it was 2-1.
Me ask you, do you get a trophy for coming second, or do you keep a parade?
Why?
Take off the jersey.
Why? Why?
Oh, you mean?
Forward it.
You can apply with all the ladies them too, but you don't know anything. Alright. So, do you get a trophy for forwarding second? Why you keeping a parade, birds? Take off the blood class shirt.
He's reminiscing on the year before when they won.
I didn't actually play it,
Lie!
I didn't play in the second game.
In the second game, say that you never played in the second game, but you play.
Me say a black shot.
Me see my sail across the field by him belly.
Yeah.
Talk truth.
Listen, it's an event. You gotta do.
And it was for a good cause. So shout out to the promoter versus DJs, promoters and event planners.
The people do want me see me out there. So
your fans and your air cons.
Yes. But let's not shy away from one of the main important of these, because it was to highlight the
knife crime and the gentleman who
the knife crime, and it's like basically last year one of the youth players
he got
passed away by the same
knife crime.
I know the coaches, so the youth team is studied it, so we decided to do it on of his name going forward. We changed the trophy to the Mario Rowe trophy in it. So every year that will be the trophy and the match we played as well.
Okay, and it's so ironic that the mainstream news picked up on it, and who is the only one I see in the promotion video. When I saw it, I said, listen, Birds win for that one. I let him lose.
Yeah.
Bro, that was just fate. Like, listen, you see where it was there. I didn't even know it was BBC and the Sky Sports, but people call my phone, yo, me stay up on TV, me stay up and make it. Big up my mother, she's in the live right now watching me. She literally is
Mommy, I made it!
She's actually in the live watching me. So,
shout out to Mommy.
So I have to just say, yo, I should have saved, but them not gonna show that. But
Yeah.
Second half, I don't know if saving on the goal to score for me. No.
Yeah.
But in real life, it end up where we have roughly over 1,000 people forward in and out. In a man, we have kids section, so
I think so.
it was a very good turnout. So and people behave themselves. Everybody just drink merry and just literally leave when they set to leave. So it was good.
I think moving forward, in terms of like our space, I think we need to do more DA events because you realize the DA events them go with less problem and less headaches.
Yeah, but you see,
And the weather was nice as well.
It was. With this one, it wasn't. Nobody not come off your music. Them just come off and say Dan Bass run go score a goal. Me play and everybody else just stay there as extra. But it's
Who
like
did score the goal for the promoters? Dan Bass,
just
right?
said that,
Yeah.
You have the video. You never seen the video?
Brother, I wasn't there.
No, I should have seen the video today, but
I'm very interested to understand how Dan Bass. No disrespect.
But
Dan
that's
Bass.
the thing. I should.
Was it a free kick?
No.
I
So
set him.
basically, what's happening here? Dan Bass goal at the best goal of the game. We're careful lose, but so basically, Dan Bass run from halfway line, 100 miles per hour in the box. The ball crossed, man control it and put in the goal.
Like that.
Apart from MJ goal.
No, wait, but we can't just skim over
can't
MJ's
just,
goal like that, bro.
No. I said apart from MJ goal.
Yeah.
Dan Bass hit the second foul of the whole day.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's talk about MJ's goal. Let's talk about before he touched the field. Who forward off of the field first and make MJ forward on?
It was Rory.
Rory,
Yeah,
right.
Rory. Okay.
So Rory forward off
Mm-hmm.
as a striker.
Yes.
Time score and then MJ get a Lizard to give him a proper forward and man run on and
Yes.
the whole
Excitement.
stadium lift up.
Yes.
Then 2 minutes of the game get a ball and the man just score and the rest of history like
It was a good shot.
If there wasn't a railing, the whole stadium reached for the pitch. I swear.
Exactly. So it was a good day.
It was a good day.
It worked out good for everybody because even for MJ if he forward and score, it even make it more better because he's saying to me, yo, Uncle Brett, I get a game, but when we start, them not play rough. So I say, yo, I don't want to see what link him
Exactly.
me out, you know.
Yeah.
But him did get the forward on and the crowd receive him well and then him score.
Which made it even better. Yeah.
So, Birds, let's talk about a little bullying incident, you know, because we say no to knife crime, no to bullying. Why you go and say you're not the coach? Why you cuss the player?
Who you that cuss off
I
now?
wasn't cussing the player.
Tell us what
So
happened.
basically, Pharrell fought
Pharrell?
on the pitch. Is that you
Farrell Liars squad.
Pharrell fought on the pitch and I play. So I said to him, you have to do better. And I say, yo, forward at a place here, so you do less work, right?
Yes.
Then Pharrell turned to me and said, yo, me come off, you know. So I'm like, then come off of the pitch then. And he walked off. So, me give him the option, because I'm saying.
So it's never like in a Jamaica church, like what the man last said. What boy, too much man in midfield.
No. So basically, him pass the ball.
Yeah, it was not them kind of.
No.
anger.
Wasn't that-
No, because I was angry. I was just Pharrell
Yeah.
at the younger, but I say, Pharrell, just do this and show everybody that talk to Pharrell, I say, yo, him can't.
Concentrate.
Yeah, him can't take the pressure. Someone say, yo, him will come off. Someone say, bro, if you want to come off in it, like, me not gonna stop if you stay on if you want to come off. And he came off in a struck, bro. And apparently
And
he was
people them said, Farrell, you really forward off already?
So who
And them a say,
that
I'm a-
captain this side? Who that captain?
Ricardo Royal, you know.
So how did
If Ricardo Rella captain this side, then him couldn't tell us you're the vice captain.
No, it's not about that.
Are you a must have vice captain?
No,
'Cause
listen,
they
no,
say,
no,
are you
no.
at the most?
Listen, it wasn't about that.
Eh.
So, Ricardo tell him for far over, the other umbrella tell him for far over. Me I say, yo, Pharrell, just shift across a little bit, so when the ball fall, he not run up and you see me? So, him just feel, say, we are safe. Remember too much people are talking.
Where he was playing?
He must play left back.
so
Oh,
how
that is so good.
so how did Pharrell manage to go on the promoter side? Because he's a DJ.
No, that was a celebrity game.
It was
There's a celebrity
So it was
game.
basically
okay.
a mixture of industry of all era and icons. So
Okay.
Mataran even play as well.
Yeah.
And Jamaican National Patrick player,
Yes.
Rory player, and the next Omer from Silverlink son play. Silverlink player and Little Links
Yeah.
and also Royal and two of my bridging them. A few people.
And Danny Bless played as well.
Oh
you
yeah,
know.
Danny Bless.
Danny Bless was on the
Oi,
pitch
yo,
for
me
about-
say.
Yeah, Danny Bless
Danny
did
Bless.
that thing. Yeah, shout out to Danny
Yo,
Bless. you know.
Yes, Danny Bless a ball.
Listen.
Entrance.
No,
He
listen.
made
go
an
on.
entrance. He
If
made an
Danny
entrance.
Bless didn't play yesterday Sunday,
Yeah.
for the next 2 days, I would have been dragged by Danny Bless live.
Yes.
Yeah.
Danny walk farther on the goal and said, Brett, I got this, you know. But you know what? Yeah, good you. But I said, but Brett, You know, I'm saying cool. So some say just fall down and get a shot. You get a shot eventually. Second half, Daniel Bless fall up on the pitch. Him do him thing. He can actually play ball for sure. And so basically, me kind of safe now.
So Danny basically bad you forget to play at the ball game.
No, him not bad. Him just.
Then you know say man go walk around that goal post and say
no. He's just saying this. But after him say, well, you know what, man, I'm good because you're a good youth.
Yeah.
I'm like, what the hell?
But me see a video with Daniel Bless and I think I played for 5 minutes.
And I roll up on the floor.
And I roll up on the
Bro,
floor.
He's such a drama king. Daniel Bless roll up on the floor about 5 minutes straight, yeah. And I, picture, then let's get up. And I pause. But you understand? And I cigarette in my man.
So who get man of the match?
Man of the match would have been the event card. That game no one really loser still.
No, but to me quite intrigued because me never did it.
For our team, definitely Ricardo Royal. For the next team, think one of the striker them score. I remember which one, because what them look like.
You want to give Dan Bass, man,
on a promoter game, now it's different from this one.
Yeah. Okay.
The promoter game, we lose
Let's
2.
start with the big match.
We lose 2. Well, we don't know how already, but anyway. We lose 2-1.
Yeah.
But the game finished in the last 10-15 minutes. Because they scored 2 goals in the last 10-15. Dan Bass score back. When Dan Bass score back, that's when we try say, we are try. And it just done this.
You know who me never say, as me just say this person joining live, me never say Andrew Fresh on the pitch.
No, Andrew Fresh was in the audience, man. And as them start win, Andrew Fresh leave from way up in the VIP and reach on the pitch side.
Me never say Andrew Fresh. Me not say no.
Listen.
Andrew should be playing.
Andrew Awagwan.
No.
Me see Lissard out there.
Andrew said him.
And the movie star Johnny there.
Yeah.
No, alright.
No, I think Johnny there hosting an event that day as well.
Let me address that, yeah. Andrew cannot play football. I'm secretary. Yeah. Cool, we understand that. Andrew can be manager for the celebrity team next year. It's whatever. Andrew and Ropes, to be fair, from day one, they've been there. Squiddly as well. Last of us is Squiddly. There's few people that haven't physically party, but they're there and support.
Yeah,
it's real. You have some man them every year we link now say, yeah, them are forward. This year we do a thing where them not come and train, just forward the match.
Yeah.
As record and a few person, then just a few man say, yeah, them are gonna do it. You see me? Ropes was meant to do, but I forgot to link him anyway. So me I put up on my bad so.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, but you know, some of them, you know, because the belly is good for them run or lose some.
No, but you see the figure here.
Run off the belly.
The whole day of this project here is basically mix of we as individuals for the whole year, we literally take from the industry.
Andrew Fresh cricket.
Yeah, but Andrew Fresh lose that cricket too as well. Same loser. So
boy, you know I'm not like cricket because now it's serious.
What I love
you know the why business.
Yeah.
So I'm not play the cricket because
no, Andrew Fresh.
Man, here when them all say man a bowl the ball and then you want bat him. Play that.
No,
that's why I'm not bother with the cricket thing. It's straight football.
I'm on object.
I swear.
Yeah.
A round object.
Do you know we played cricket after this though?
Yeah.
Whenever I do this again, I will link Raiders, but
we do play cricket.
For the DJ. So that's still
but
ball
what's the difference? What's the difference? It's ball and a bat.
But
yes.
It is
baseball bat.
Stick.
No, we used to play cricket a lot when I got to school. We used to like cricket.
No, but where is there though? When we really, and seriously, I'm always pissed off about is when we're trying to bring, alright, this basically start because we want to compete against them, blah, blah, yeah? So we do the sports. And now we're trying to implement the celebrity part, right? Meaning say we as our local celebrity. When I mean an icon way. Matarano is one of the biggest things apart from me there that day. But when
Hold them, my friend. Hold them. Yes.
But what I said was still, yeah? This is the point where enough of the money promote and make and do music. For literally say, yo, we are part of the people them come out every day, every weekend and see us support all of us. So one day we must can give them some enjoyment. You see me? And now that Mari pass away, that even make it more better for you and partake in the situation, which enough of them might want the next year, which is all open for them to do.
I think it's a very lucrative event because I was very interested to forward the event. And me hear a whole of people talk about it other than the posters because I didn't really see the poster as like only on your page, but in the streets, people were talking about it, especially on my side and North London, where you know it's a put it fair, it's a sort event.
Yeah, and
if not people actually ask me, yo, you know, what match I go on to the assault. That was a very big.
But I'm glad you said that. Cause sometimes we thinking, people thinking it just because it's an assault. This is where it goes, yeah. We're south based. The event is a London event. Really closer to home, it's easier for we do everything right, yeah?
Yeah.
But at the same time, if you're interested to go somewhere, it's an 8-hour event. You can make it. We'll travel to fire party.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, so we invite everybody. Ricardo come from the side, Ricardo is there. If you really need to go somewhere, you go there.
You will.
As I said, it's not just it's not about being rich. It's just that
cause.
we are promoting something before the man died.
Yeah.
As unity. When not for the man when I play DJ there, no one really knows them as much until them start. Then people know them,
Yeah,
but this make people you're a DJ
Exactly.
more. All this you alone and name and share them.
All I know, like, you put a next set of unity out there for sure, say, yo. Because we know some of the time as DJs and promoter, and everybody talk to each other.
True.
Exactly.
Yes.
With this space now, everybody
Forward
is playing
together.
as a team or against each other. So at some farm
Communication.
So it
And
kinda-
bookings can go on and relation.
It kind of bridge that little gap
Yeah,
there.
yes.
Yeah.
Because me
So it
know,
was overall it was a good
because
event.
me know for a fact, yeah. Apart from the first 2 years,
Yeah.
the original it kind of obviously like certain man kind of fizzle because they make a next man to get a game.
Yeah.
Younger, because the DJ the team, our younger DJs, most of them are really DJs and that, yeah.
Yeah.
But now people say, oh, them are DJ and get 1 and 2 extra for like when them tag the page, we repost and they don't go already. So it's a work for everybody though.
Yeah.
So it was the question I asked is, did the council play any part of it into it? Did the government hand any assistance? Because obviously UK has a big problem now with knife crime, and obviously this is something that is being done into the demographic of people that is affected the most. Because if you look at the statistics, we can't even say the word properly. 47% are the knife crime victims that's in London is from black.
Or people.
And 47, the same percentages are the black people them who do it as well. So I think this is a avenue where the government should look into
And support.
Alright,
That's
we're
for
not
good
we're
cause.
not gonna bash them because we did contact them in 2019 for 2020. 2020 that'd be a big year. It wasn't going to be one, but you know COVID
Yeah,
strike.
yeah.
And the person who was in contact with somewhere else linked with it, them change position, them change department. So
Just get
Yeah.
away, just don't get away. You know?
then change then change department and that, yeah. So
And change position.
and to COVID that it just mess up everything.
Yeah.
But then we're gonna do it as something so it's out the borough. But at the same time, we did contact them. So and like I said, them not wanting we need to visit.
Restart the
Yeah,
conversation.
but anyway, people,
it's a good
event.
cause.
It's a year-to-year event.
Next
you know.
year.
Look out for next
But
year.
what Sky and BBC do,
Yeah.
Yeah, we appreciate that. It was
kind of make it even know easier for we say, yo,
Exactly.
this is what is
This is
happening.
what it is.
And
Yeah.
as I said, we can always talk to our local MP and local council and try to get some support. But you know, time is moving swiftly, people, and we have
There's
a
a
lot
topic
of
that
pressing
Dragon
issue.
really
I
wants
want
to talk about.
We know what Jagger want to talk about, man.
So
I know, right?
before we even talk about that, let's go back to Jamaica for a little bit.
Yeah.
So you know, well popular dancehall artist Lincoln Tree that graced the island of Jamaica a few weeks ago, where he have a little sit down with Night to Fix, you know, interview going well and thing, and everything went well. So after that, now Lincoln Tree that ex-girlfriend Sky go on the Nightly Fix as well with a little follow-up interview.
Yeah.
So just like the topic got last week,
Yeah.
like we said, most of Jamaican a jacket.
Yes.
So we just find out say why some of them are jacket.
Family
And we
ram.
realize say most of them are fuck them family.
Family Rama go on Wallip.
So so basically Sky, she say because
Is it Sky or Star?
Star.
StarDawkins.
Star
alright.
Dawkins, yes.
So Star,
Thinking.
she said that the reason why she and Lincoln Tree that
Break
they kind of have to break up and because them finally say them a cousin.
Right.
But she never want to stop the fuck or the fuck sweet basically.
Hold up. But did their breakup was messy?
No.
No, they
No,
weren't
it
really.
was
They
not
broke
messy
up like
breakup.
5 times, bro. That's
Yeah,
what I
that-
said.
Yeah, but
Exactly.
basically motherfucking cousin right through.
Right, Drew like that.
I
Right through
I
motherfucking cousin. And they're not saying if it is far cousin or near cousin, but I just me think so, you know, I think say it's a first cousin thing cause as well. She say his father died and
Yeah.
she don't talk to her father no more. So it's like a long last brother business. That's what me feel like say.
I think my view on this, in find out, it depends on when you find out or why you stop. If you know today and you still a link her tomorrow or next week, you're shaky.
What shaky about that? But you
It
don't
don't gone bad already.
No, it don't go, but brother, it's a knowledge you never know. You never know about it. You know,
Supposed to be married her and breed her and everything.
that's a different scenario. He not married. It was just girlfriend and boyfriend. They were just having a relationship, and in final said that go on. So obviously, you need to stop that there and then. The moment you find out.
Yep.
So,
See?
hold on. Let me ask you a
But she
question.
said it nice.
Let me ask you a question. Or does someone just turn out that love?
Watch it.
What-
Well, if you hear the
what-
words in the market.
Our special guest has made his entrance.
What do you?
What
yes,
are the matter?
We'll get to you. in a
My
second.
view is say,
Yeah, but now you don't explain already. Man. Go try to find out in a slow.
alright, here I say.
Yeah,
When me ask, do somebody turn out their love
no,
to somebody?
no, but what I'm saying
You can't do it.
No, what I say, my link to that bridge in here, but him I say.
Eh?
Him I say.
No, because you girl must fuck up or something.
And you're not
Why
related.
you left a girl when they fuck up?
All right, hold on. Make it say what's in. Mataran, we're so forward to you. Conversation. Make we
Yeah.
finish a little issue.
Him I say.
Yeah.
As you were saying, Jagan.
Go on.
How can you turn off your love for somebody when you obviously invest your time, invest your money,
And if it was true
feelings
love.
involved and
Yeah.
that kind of thing
Yeah.
because you know love run deep. Love
Yeah.
make people do stupid things. You get me? So in final say, boom, buckle out my cousin. Because some of the time, you know, as a man,
Yeah.
some of the time, you hear so well a man girl I give the pussy right when him final say, me girl a fuck pa man, him go about Jesus Christ. They go now the girl I'm go and be a fucker. I say, why you give me pussy?
Yeah, but that's but
Well, I know it's the same thing. Even though you know say the girl give you the pussy, if you say dirty girl, go kick her out of your house and throw her things on the road in the rain. Go and be things. You still got your go ball because you're in love with this girl.
yeah, but that's not. It's different.
So well, let me get to the point now.
Yeah.
So in that case, you say blood clot I'm a family, or I'm a cousin. My final say I'm a cousin. But you know with that fuck a long time, you know done sin, you know. 200 done a guy hell.
Yeah, but it's not a sin until you know, because all
Yeah,
right.
but they knew and they continued.
Alright.
That's the point.
But that's what I'm getting
Alright.
at. Did
That's the point.
they knew about
No,
it?
what
Hold on. They found out. How did she say how they found
no,
out?
they say they found out and the link and left her.
And they left her.
Yeah. Okay. But what about her saying that it did 2 seats, she never want left?
But that's her point.
Yeah, she can have that feeling and have that way of thought because she can reminisce on it. But is what you do when you find out what happened, it makes a big difference. Because you can't just decide to say, all right, listen, it is not what is meant to be, or right, and then morally you can't stop it.
Let me ask you a
Mataran,
question.
yeah, your phone. Me know you're the faciest man in our world. What you see that phone there?
Yeah, it's a feature in the mic.
You have to go put it on mic.
Yeah. So
yes, sorry.
So basically, Rick, let me just pose this question to you. So, for instance, so if you're in an entanglement with a lady, right?
Yeah.
And over the course of that relationship, you find out somewhere down the line,
That
she's
you're
some
related.
far cousin or some relation. After you don't have a kid and thing, you don't fuck right through. Should you stop or should you continue? Like, more ask everybody that question. What should I do?
But that's a different.
So the
situation.
difference in the situation is first cousins when I just find out there are no hold on.
You know, say a first cousin, so correct that.
All right, cousins.
Yeah.
When I just find out there's no ties, no children, no marriage involved, and your question
Yeah.
is what's the difference with if your cousins and ties are involved, children, marriage, house, land, whatever. That's your question.
Yeah.
What's the difference? Rick, what's the difference?
No, it's a big difference because
Yes, just him.
it's just knowing what it is. Something like this happened to me similar about
What?
I'm to
about
you.
about 8 or 9.
Let him land. Why
About
not stop
8 or
it?
9
Why
years
not
ago.
stop it?
No,
Silence in the court.
it's
Go
not,
ahead,
it's
please.
not,
sir.
but it's similar situation. I got a different area. Book a girl, raised with a girl. We reach conversation state, and we talk and everything. I go, all right, and I say, yeah, this look all right. I make a post on Facebook. I want me post on it now. One of my auntie them will live in America. I think she have a birthday one day and she post something. I'm a comment on them and say happy birthday. And then, you know, the Facebook have a whole heap of comments.
Yeah.
And then to her birthday, man, everybody say happy birthday. And then me see she comment as well.
Happy birthday,
Happy
auntie.
birthday, auntie.
Why? But,
You know
but was it actually auntie? Because you know there's some people who we call auntie and uncle, but it's not actually blood related. Was
But
that the situation?
but
It's kind of
But
simple.
hold on, that lead me back to the same conversation that we have next week. Say the whole of a jacket them.
Yeah.
Sometimes say yeah fuck some girl and because the man is a jacket or the mother is a jacket. You get the
You don't
wrong
know.
father.
Yeah.
So you just a fuck your family without knowing because she don't know say I know her father that. And and blah blah. It just get messy. So
No, but
should
she
you
know her
stop?
mother and father.
No, he's
No,
referring to
if
the
I get-
conversation
alright.
we had last
For
week.
instance, you are a jacket, seeing?
Breads.
Well, I know you are a jacket. Me just as an example, right? Say you are a jacket. So your father stop people them. Or say blood clot. Me nah go trouble your daughter because them a family. But your real father, film stop people them. The one look a dirty boy in their family, and them a kill your daughter with fuck now. Seeing? Will it, or him no know say a film family or a film first cousin? Them weird. So that's why I say.
I think
in some way or some farm it don't get
He's
messy.
saying a Jamaican of St. Elizabeth.
But I tell you, that's why I pay brown people down there.
Alright,
Jaja.
let me put
Alright,
it
we're
last.
going to spend 2 more minutes on this
put
and then we'll
last,
wrap up. Yeah?
Me just personally think say Lincoln fought week before, controversy.
Yeah.
She fought this week and it's the same. Because what is it? If you know them relationship,
Yeah.
them feed off each other energy. As she said already, yeah. When she said even Ari, when him love him fuck, I literally say,
Yeah.
can't believe that. You know why? Why you know saying unbelievable? Because everybody of them family would have some comment to make already. And then Lincoln post afterwards where Carter did that interview say, yo, everything the people follow. And then next day I read it again and I'm see the follow. So I just think say, she said what she said.
I like that girl.
As you as a family member, would
Hold
you
on,
comment on that?
No.
can
Man, I
Brett
said she
finish
said
his
what she
point,
say, yeah?
please? Yeah.
Because it's good TV.
I
That's why
like
feel.
her. Me like her.
If
Me
I'm-
not,
if
at
I'm
first
my
me know her.
No, I don't think they're family.
Like,
They
oh,
not family.
you see, like, oh,
The star girl. Me like her
Star-
attitude. Me like
What
her.
reason? No, I'm sorry. I was put off
I
by
like
the
the reason why
interview.
you like her.
No,
now,
me like
because,
her attitude,
She's a nice person.
attitude towards
Yeah.
life and her attitude towards business.
You know why? You know
Me
why?
like her how she's driven
Yeah.
and she clearly knows what she wants. Regardless if you want to like her, yes or no,
That's how she is.
she know what she want
Yeah.
and she apply herself to it. She have us here talking about her now and she finished her interview.
But
She's done her job.
is it a publicity stunt or is it real?
I think it's fake.
I don't know, but based on the conversation when me get out of it,
Yeah.
I know when me look for life out of it, Riffy me a fuck right through life because me not pay so much money for it.
Or is it roofie them?
Riffy right through.
Alright,
Pay
then,
Riffy me a
cool.
fuck.
So there's another topic you wanted to talk about. Let's talk about that
So,
quickly.
bumbo clot. So,
Time is fastly
You know-
forward enough.
popular UK dancehall artist, Shanty Force. People don't tag him for me now. Because, you know, it's a little video circulating with somebody. This girl, what's her name, Bryce?
I don't know.
Don't know her name.
Yeah, so this lady,
Allegedly.
no, she said,
Yeah, allegedly.
she and Shanty are fuck right through. See? Even though Shanty and Bandy, they know Bandy big up in them, me and your friend, we good, everything
Yeah,
alright.
alright.
She and Shanty are fuck right through. You see me all in a party, them a gym screen, she bam, take in a corner, she just put in her mouth real quick.
You just
Be
smoke,
things,
man.
you know? Be things are going, you see me? So, me don't know what go on. She says she's bisexual, but she say she one of them girls, she always want to try the 3-person relationship. But she has said, boy, me not really too feel her still, you know, me not too feel Bandy.
Oh, she not feel bandy, but
Yes,
if it,
because
probably if
that's
it was
just
somebody
You
else,
feel
she
like
tried.
this is not a troll. You don't feel like it's a troll.
She said,
We don't know.
Me don't know.
We not, but there's the video is out there and he's just
The video is
paraphrasing
out
what
there,
is
me a
being
paraphrase
said.
what the girl said.
Yeah.
So
Who-
Shanty,
who
if
posted
there's
the
any
video?
She
truth
did.
to
A mix-up, one UK
No,
mix-up page.
it was a live and them screen recorded.
The screen recorded it. It
So
doesn't
Shanty,
matter.
if there's any truth to this, remember, we are Rasta, you know, now become a blonde now, you know, we are Rasta.
May I give
So,
Shanty
so
some
you go.
advice?
So
Shanty,
Shanty,
don't
come
comment.
defend your thing.
Yeah.
You don't know what's something going on. Brother,
Brother, you man said, the man an artist and allegation, make the man just hold him own and share all her own and that's it.
Brother, you don't know what the law work. When allegation make you have report down a
no,
station.
No. The girl say she and him da fuck while him dead bandy. And it's really no story there. She just said she was a side chick and that was it.
I don't even think this should
Should have been
like
a, yeah.
to bring. You see, artist life and them thing for entertainers. I think it's a part and parcel with the job. I think based on my experience of a relationship over the years, things are up my road. If you are, especially when you know the limelight go.
Yeah.
Sometimes some girl just try to look at some attention too,
Yep.
and them know a little thing and they want to mash up your yard.
Yeah.
So it just all I want and just move. You know it go.
Wanna
Simple
go.
as that. You know who sing a song there?
Really?
Wanna move.
Governor.
Don't,
Governor.
you shouldn't tell him.
Yeah, but now we
Nah,
go
nah,
to
but-
mine and click
But
back.
anyway,
click
you
like
know,
that right now.
Why? People, you know when I go,
OD the thing.
hold the conversation
Yeah.
because the man from Mars here, so they know say I travel from far.
From
so
far, and it is
conversation.
needs
Yeah.
it is exactly 10 o'clock,
Yeah.
guys. Please, if you have not done it already, share the live. Please be reminded we're here every Tuesday between 9 and 11, and we're sponsored by The Granaries, Style London, and Self-Paid.